Alright then, next project is this floor. So I'm going to take this board up, see what it's like underneath, give it all a good clean, and then this is going to be insulated. I've got some Dodo sound deadening insulation mat that's going to go down, so it'll be nice to get that out of the box and laid. So let's go. So there we have it, another 5-minute job, taking another hour and a half. So that's the board up, this is what we're left with. So next stage, clean all this up. Let's go. Alrighty, following day, and the floor is looking clean. So I'm just going to give it a final clean with some of this isopropanol alcohol, and then I'm going to start laying this stuff down so you can see all the information there. This is the stuff recommended to go on van floors. So I'm not sure whether I'm going to put it long ways or across the way. I've seen people do it across the way because it's much easier. So yeah, but the only trouble is today is freezing. So I've got a temperature gauge in here, 2.4. It was 0 earlier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the heater on and get this van warmed up. So I'll get the stuff in, shut the doors, so I'm not working in freezing cold. And yeah, be interesting to see how this turns out. So let's go. Okay, so there's the Dodo Deaden Duo Pro mat all installed. Off camera I taped up all the joints just with some black duct tape, especially around the edges, because once you cut this stuff there is a layer of it's like foil metal, really thin, and if you've just got a corner that's a little bit exposed you can cut your finger on it. And before I put the plywood board back on this, I'm going to put a layer of foil insulation over the whole lot to give us another bit of insulation on the floor. So we'll pop back once that's done. Right then, additional layer is done, and I've done the wheel arches. Thought I might as well while we're at this stage. So I'm going to now get the ply back on, the 1/2-inch ply that came off originally. Still that back on, that gets bolted down in 4 areas, and then that will give us our base backing, and then the floor's insulated and done. So we have it, the board is back in, and I've just got to cut out for these plastic trims to go back. I'm waiting on a couple of new ones coming, so that's not going to get done in today's video, and bolt this back down, and then that's that. So that was what was involved in insulating the floor. I'm done on this one, and I'll see you on the next one.